Let's look at some flat earth memes. Oh, what happened? Come on, are you serious? Whatever. I like this one. So NASA, an official government ball earth, globe-tard, heliocentric, cosmic fairy tale, zero evidence, pseudoscience, Neil deGrasse Tyson, priest, Bill Nye, lie, indoctrinate you since a little kid in school, spin your globe before you can critically think for your own. Says that the sun is 93 million miles away. Also, that the Earth's spinning 1,000 miles per hour on its axis, tilting and wobbling. It's revolving around the sun, or orbiting around the sun, 66,600 miles per hour. And the sun is jetting through the universe at 450,000 miles per hour. And then the whole universe, or the galaxy, or the universe is shooting through the Milky Way from a Big Bang at like some crazy speed. I'm not sure what that's like, 4.5 trillion light years per second or something. Don't quote me on that, of course. I'm exaggerating maybe a little bit, but anyways, if that's what's going on, 93 million miles away, this photo right here explain how there's clouds behind the sun. You can clearly see right here. The sun is very local and small. There's clouds behind the sun. People will come up with all types of excuses to try to explain this way what they're seeing in front of their own eyes. Right here, look at this. You can look up videos, look up flat earth photography. I believe Richie from Boston. There's a few people who film the sun with these very nice cameras, P900s, Nikon P900s. And you can see the sun. I like what Red Pill Philosophy says. It's not a sunrise, it's a sun arrive. Because the sun is coming over you and by you as you're the stationary center of the creation. We're not moving. The sun is moving around above us. When you're a globe-tard and you haven't questioned this, you're programmed to ridicule and laugh at this concept. Like, oh, it seems so ridiculous. But you can't explain anything of your ball earth fairy tale. Nothing. You're gonna use all types of logical fallacy. You're an ad hominem, the flat earthers, and not even listen to their evidence. And then when asked to present evidence of your ball earth, you're gonna give like an appeal to authority or appeal to consensus, bandwagon, some type of fallacy. But let's see some other ones. This is the basic. Don't take this serious, especially with the outer space. Like, space isn't real, so this is kind of fallacious, but it's kind of the concept of the sun and the moon. Also, the sun and the moon are the same size in the sky, but the moon is like, they say like 400,000 miles away, and the sun is 93 million miles away, but they're the same size in the sky and they have the same paths. And they say, oh, it's because the sun is 400 times bigger, but 400 times farther away. I believe that's it. It might be 4,000. I have to brush up on my flat earth numbers here. Sorry. I really like the flight path ones. These are great. Flight path from Cuba to Moscow on the globe. So, I'm guessing you go over Greenland. That's Greenland. From Cuba to Moscow on the flat earth. A direct route. You'll see many of these. Very juicy evidence. Let's see if we can find another one. So this is my second time using a screen recorder, so I'm very, new to this concept. So bear with me. There you go. Alright, so if you want to go from Australia to, Brazil, I believe it is, South America, Chile, South America, you'd think you'd go straight across. Get out of my get out of there. You'd think you'd go straight across this green line right here, right? That's logical path, right? But that flight is not available. Flight path is not available. You have to go all the way up here to like LA.